Hello friends, it's Raj and this is the unboxing and quick look of the Realme X2 which I bought from Flipkart.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
The product costed me rupees 16,999, but you can buy it at discounted rates during sales with bank offers. So the box contents are one phone, charger, USB cable, SIM ejector tool, safety and quick guides, and then a clear protective case. This is the pearl blue variant with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. It supports Volt, 3G, 2G, etc. So let's take it out. So here we have the clear protective case and the guides, and here comes the Realme X2 wrapped with a plastic film. The rear glass part looks gorgeous and has got Gorilla 5 protection. Let's peel off this IMEI sticker and keep it with the warranty card. The X2 also comes with the 30V VOOC flash charge 4.0 supported charger and the special USB Type-C cable without which the VOOC rapid charging won't work. And finally, we have the SIM ejector tool. Now let's take a quick look of the phone. On the rear, we have a 64+8+2+2 megapixel quad camera setup with LED flash. On the front, we have a 32 megapixel selfie cam, earpiece, light and proximity sensor all in one dewdrop frame. And then the gorgeous 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display with a narrow frame and an in-display optical fingerprint scanner. On the top, we have the noise cancellation mic. On the bottom, we have the speaker grill, USB-C port, mic and the 3.5mm jack. On the left is the SIM tray and volume rockers. On the right side is the power button. Let's take out the SIM tray. You can use a micro SD card along with 2 nano SIM cards. So here is the free clear protective case, which is also flexible. It has got a plug for the USB port. The phone also comes with pre-applied clear screen guard. So let's put the case. The case fits perfectly. Even it has got raised edges on the rear to protect the camera. There are also paddings over the buttons and the cuts are perfect. The raised lips on the front side offers protection to the display on a flat surface. And finally, the phone is powered by Snapdragon 730G SoC and runs on ColorOS 6.1 based on Android Pie. So that was the unboxing and quick look of the Realme X2 phone. You can find the product link in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.